Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this unboxed review 5-inch Android 10.0 Q system special head unit for Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler. It's universal for all the Jeep car, Dodge, Chrysler, all the car, yes. Okay, let me unbox the review. You can check that you need with good condition. Okay, you can check this head unit. Let me show honey set first. Okay, you can check this special harness and connector for Jeep order. Yes. It's power cable. Okay, and this canvas box. And you can check K2 and K1 for steering wheel controls. This MP wire, this ANT wire to antenna. Okay, and this connect to our back head unit. Okay, this radio antenna. Okay, and this GPS antenna, this screws, and it comes with 2 USB cable, and this external microphone. Connect to back of head unit, this connector. Okay. And this camera input, and this AUX input, AUX in left and right, and this video input, this connect to back of head unit, and this audio cable, this subwoofer RC type, and this audio out left and right, front and rear RC type. Okay. Let me show what we need. Okay, this driver agent. Okay, you can check the back. This GPS, this power, this fuse is connected for audio and connection. USB, and this Wi-Fi, this radio antenna. Okay, and this front. Let me. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Connect to backup head unit. Okay, button lights will on, and it shows Pi navigation system, but you can update. Okay. It's ODS for Jeep. Okay. You can check it built-in microphone. It's microphone and this reset hole. This knob. This radio. You can choose radio. This knob. Okay, it works. And this volume. Built-in microphone and reset hole. This home button. There are 2 SD card slots. Okay. You can long press to change the wallpaper. This live wallpaper. Back. It's built-in Bluetooth and this AC information. DSP amplifier. EQ. Balance. Okay, this is DSP amplifier and it's built in Google Maps, Play Store, and this speed, you can check, this speed play for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can connect. Okay. Let me check the settings. This Bluetooth. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Support Wi-Fi display. This PX6 by PX6. Fast response. Pi system. And car settings, person settings, LED settings. You can choose gray. Change the button color. Blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. We choose the red. Okay. Now we check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.